Hello and welcome to the second part of all about nodes in LightWave. Today's nodes that we're looking at are this projection nodes that you can use with this white input here in the principled BSDF node. So you can see here is my scene and the vase has no texture applied. So what we do now is we double click on the principled BSDF node and we turn on the metallic surface component. And now you can see that our vase is a metallic surface. This already looks pretty good, but we can make it even better by using the anisotropic filter. So what is anisotropic? Anisotropic is a surface characteristic that most metal that are brushed or has a structure on it has when the light beam hits the surface and it gets spread in all directions. And the best example for an anisotropic surface is the CD. So for all those who don't know what a compact disc is, the first compact disc was produced 1982 and it's still available today. And a compact disc or a CD looks like this. On this disc you can save datas, music, videos, whatever. You can save things on those discs. Of course, today you would use a memory stick or a cloud storage, but what you can see here is the anisotropic effect. You can see this stripes that goes radial manner across the surface and it's creating this very nice effect. So you can use this in LightWave as well by just double click on the principled BSDF shader and turn on the anisotropic filter. But as soon as you do that, you see all these artifacts on your material. And this is where this projections nodes comes in place. Okay, so I know that this vase has a UV map, so I can use this UV projection node by double click. It's creating this node. You can also use different projection types: cubic, cylindrical, frontal, planar, and spherical. But if you have a mesh that has a UV map, you can use this UV projection node. Double click on this node and select your UV map. So as soon as you plug this output into the projection input, and now you can see that this metal looks even better with the anisotropic filtering. You can see all these nice stripes that goes along the curvature of this mesh, and it's creating the illusion of this is a brushed metal surface, right? The characteristic of the metal has changed really nicely. So I show you the comparison with the anisotropic filter and without. So this is without the anisotropic filter, and this is how it looks with the anisotropic filtering on and driven by the projections node. Here you can see this stripes. It looks really nice and it looks like a brushed metal surface. I hope this tip is useful for you. If you like this series, if you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And in the next episode, we're going to be looking at how we can combine two different roughness maps together and blend them together to create an even better looking metal material. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. See you next time and bye everybody.